Hey guys, how are you today? Today we're going to talk about DeepSeek. DeepSeek is a free AI chatbot that works like ChatGPT. It can do many of same things, but it's unclear how well it compares to ChatGPT. It is said to be powerful as OpenAI's latest model called O1, especially in tasks like math and coding. Like O1, DeepSeek uses a reasoning model, which means it provides answers step by step, like how people think through problems or ideas. We go to the DeepSeek website. We are now in the DeepSeek interface. And the first thing to do is to turn on Deep Think. And for our first prompt, we start off easy. Let's write a prompt. How many R's are in the word strawberry? Well, it's easy for us, but it has stamped ChatGPT in past. After about 15 seconds, DeepSeek returns the right answer. Now you might be wondering, why did it take 15 seconds for such an easy answer? That's because this is a reasoning model. And what that means is because the AI is giving more time to think and the reason, the accuracy of its answers increases. What's unique about DeepSeek is its thought process. So you see, it starts off by trying to count the R's letter by letter, and then it second guesses itself and checks itself multiple times until it arrives the correct answer. It's also funny that this hints there might be a common mistake where people think it's only 2 hours. Let's now try another example where the chain of thought reasoning will be more helpful. It's a classic word problem. Kitty can paint a fence in 4 hours. Mike can do it in three. How long does it take for them to do it together? No surprise, it came up with a correct answer. But let's take a look at the reasoning behind this. Now I mentioned this term chain of thought reasoning. And that's exactly that DeepSeek is doing. This acts human reasoning by breaking down complex problems into steps and thinking through each step of end up with a more accurate final answer. And the cost is extra thinking time. I'm going to ask a fun twist on the word related problem without deep think or one. If Katie can have a baby in 9 months and Alex can have baby in 8 months, how long would it take for them to have a baby together? The answer here will come back almost instant, as accepted. We got the answer and we did not need a complex reasoning. So what's an example of the complex problem? Check this out. Pretend it's 1954, which is 5 years before we start a global effort to address smallpox. How would you do it if you had a year to prepare? And just like before, there are clear thought process that happens before the response is given. Now, response is here is quite interesting. So I scroll through it slowly so you can pause the video and read it if you would like to.